ZLPH Machinery Technology Co., Limited, located in Zhucheng City, Shandong, China, with an area of 50 acres, including 15,000 Baoma 2 production workshop. ZLPH is committed to the research and application of precise sterilization and automation technology to meet customers' needs for safer, energy-saving, and efficient equipment. As high-tech enterprise, we focus on mid to high-end sterilization equipment as our leading industry and integrates the design and manufacturing of automatic loading-unloading system to develop automatic sterilization line. ZLPH won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise and honorary titles such as Integrity Demonstration Unit, Possess National Pressure, Vessel License, the American Standard ASM Manufacturing License, EU CE Certification, Russian EAC Certification, Malaysia DOSH Certification, Import and Export Trade Qualification, ISO 9001 International Quality System Certification, and has 11 core technology patents. ZLPH main products: water spray retort, water immersion retort, twin water immersion retort system, steam air retort, water spray, rotary retort, multifunctional pilot retort, horizontal continuous sterilization lines, customized automatic loading-unloading sterilization production lines. ZLPH has more than 150 employees, T6 mechanical design engineers and PLC programming engineers, 8 R&D engineers, 55 certified operators in special industries, and 20 professional after-sales personnel. With more than 10 years of rich industry experience and profound technical skills, we provide customers with all-round technical support and service. ZLPH has complete set of machining equipment, large-scale laser cutting equipment, automatic red flame, deep penetration welding, aging vibration equipment, large machine tool processing equipment, pipe automatic welding equipment, handheld laser welding equipment, spectral material analysis machine, X-ray detection, ultrasonic testing, thermal validation test, and complete FAT. There is a strict product inspection and traceability system for the entire process, from raw material inspection to finished product delivery. Provide perfect quality assurance for every piece of equipment shipped from the factory. ZLPH is committed to precise sterilization research and equipped with a fully functional sterilization laboratory to provide customers with the best sterilization F0 testing. With professional team, rigorous management, and excellent product equipment, we strive to create fine sterilization, Retort customized smart sterilization line. We keep exploring, pay attention to the forefront technology, innovation, and product research and development to refresh a steady stream of fresh vitality for the brand. ZLPH works closely with first-class domestic universities such as Xinjiang Agricultural University, Harbin Institute of Technology, Shanghai Jiaotong University, etc., to provide smart technological innovation of Retort and the strong support to the customers in sterilization processes. ZLPH equipment are exported to more than 30 countries and regions around the world, including the United States, New Zealand, Russia, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Through the cloud interconnection of control system, we can remotely control equipment and perform fault diagnosis with the customer's permission. 6 customer service stations across China enable engineers be in place within 12 hours to handle on-site problems. Successively established strategic partnerships with leading companies in various industries and gained good reputation. Yihai Carry, Lanjian, Meining, Southern Black Sesame, Fujian Gulong, Zishan, Firmus, etc. Through technological innovation and R&D, ZLPH become a leader in this industry and designed and customized various lines for customers from different fields. Pouched corn retort line, Doi pack food retort line, canned beverage sterilization line, pre-cooked food sterilization line, luncheon meat, pet food in cans line, Practice always better than words. Our professional knowledge and experience have our users benefit and satisfied. Imagination reaching the infinity of the future. Technology lighting up the industry and the future.